All right, this assignment, the technology culture assignment, is in the week 4 folder, and it's really important that you read the description first. So the instructions are you have 2 attachments, 2 articles here that you have to read, but maybe you can print them. Printing, I think reading paper is easier than reading a screen all the time. So for this one, we're going to talk about pull quotations. So when you're finished reading, pick a quotation from each article that stood out to you. This is called a pull quotation. Here's an example of what it looks like in a magazine. When they have a quotation pulled out that they put in bigger font and your eye kind of draws to it. Sometimes we are lazy readers and we just read this stuff instead of reading the whole article. But this is supposed to, it's like a billboard, it's supposed to capture our attention and then encourage us to read the entire article. So make sure you read all of the description, and then you have 2 articles to read. They are opposites. So one is how the internet and social media is changing our culture, and the other one is about how it's saving it, not killing it. So once you have read the 2 articles, and you might even have them open on 2 tabs so that you can have reference them as you do your questions. So you have 3 questions to answer. First, you have a pull quotation for the first article and why you chose it. So you need to prove that you've read the entire article. So it has to make sense for your response. So you include the quotation and why that quotation draws the reader in. And again, I want to know that you read the whole article. Same thing for the second article. And then the last question says, the 2 articles contradict each other. Which article do you agree with and why? And that's it. If you have any questions, make sure you ask.